Today I feel like crafting, so I head out to the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be crafting with some of these. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my scissors and cutting off the red section off. Then I'll put it to the side and I'm coming in with this candle holder and I'm going to be wrapping it up with this jute twine. So I'm going to be using hot glue all around this candle holder and I'm going to be placing that piece of badminton birdies that I cut and I'm going to be gluing it all around it. So I was needing 2 pieces because one piece was not long enough. So I cut half of another of these badmintons birdies and I'm just going to continue to glue it until it's completely covered. Now that this is in place, I came in with this ribbon and I'm going to place it right here only because I want, of course, to make it look pretty and cover all the imperfection. I also picked up one of these vases when I went to the dollar store, and with some hot glue I'm gonna go ahead and adhere both of these pieces together. I also added a white candle, but I'm going to put it to the side. In the meantime, I have these 2 candle holders that I purchased at a garage sale. I'm going to go ahead and refresh them with white chalk paint. I'm going to be doing that to both of them. I also wrapped half of the candle holder with jute twine. Next time you're at the Dollar Tree, grab some of these Fishbowl. I went and I purchased 2 of them, one small and one big. And I am taking a lot of hot glue and I'm going to cover the entire piece. I'm going to do the same thing to both of them. These dessert glass, they also from the Dollar Tree. They come 4 in a package. I'm going to be doing the same thing to 2 of them. Once I have the glue in place, I'm going to go ahead and glue both of them together with some more hot glue. I'm going to go ahead, take them outside and paint it with this Rust-Oleum white paint. And this is how it came out after everything is dry. Look at how beautiful. Now I have the candlestick that I showed you in the beginning and I am going to be placing it right here. I'm going to show you several ways of how you can decorate both of these pieces. I'm going to be adding water on both of them and then I have 2 floating candles and that's how I'm going to be decorating it. And here I'm going to show you the final reveal. Let me know what you think. I think this turned out absolutely gorgeous.
We're crafting with fish bowls and plastic lids, new themes. Oh, here it comes, let's light it up. Let's make it shine. Aurea's DIY, it's design time. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free to DIY with Aurea.
When you go to the dollar store, look in the section where they have these wooden frames. I purchased 2 of them in the square ones. So I'm coming back and I'm going to continue to work with these pieces. I'm cutting them the same way that I've done before. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and lay it flat right here. And I'm going to bring in the frame. And as you see, I'm tracing and making a line right here to know how much I am going to be cutting off. I'll be doing this 4 different times. And then once that is done, I come in with my hot glue and start gluing this corner right here. And then of course, I'm going to be gluing this piece right here. This is looking pretty. What do you think? And of course, again, I'm doing it 4 different times. And with these little scissors, I like these little scissors. I bought this at Dollar Tree because I feel that it grabs what a scissor won't grab. I'm just cutting the excess off. Today's part of an open collaboration and it is called Just Our Imagination. It is hosted by Kathy and Brenda. Lynn is our guest host today. I'm going to be leaving the links down below in my description box for your convenience. And today, you know, those challenge items, oh my goodness, this is one of them right here. And the fishbowl and also the badminton birdies. So we have to craft with them and this is what I have created so far. The links down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking, guys. This playlist is awesome. I love this playlist. You guys have to go watch the playlist for more inspiration. So on this one here, I'm adding more hot glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and place that piece of plastic that I just cut to size, just as you see. I also have a piece of rope that I'm going to be taking apart, and then I will be gluing it around the plastic, only to make sure that this is not going to come apart, because we all know that glue and plastic do not get along. So I am going to be reinforcing it this way. And now all I'm doing is just cutting the excess off and then adding some hot glue wherever I believe that is necessary. For this front section, I have a braided jute twine. I purchased this at Temu. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to do the same thing, but this time in the front of this picture frame. This is going to turn out so absolutely gorgeous. And now let's just go ahead and brush all these hairs off of here, you know, those glue hairs that are so annoying. And then I am going to create this sort of like Christmas, because you know, it is Christmas in July. So I thought I would throw this little ornament right here, and look at how gorgeous. So I am going to be tucking it in with some hot glue, and then this will be it, my dear friends. Look at how gorgeous. You gotta let me know what you think about this one. This one is absolutely beautiful. Well, you know, in my eyes is beautiful, of course, because I created it. On a serious note, I really do think it's cute. But let me know in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are. And don't forget the playlist, my dear friends, for more inspiration.
Aurea's DIY, it's design time. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free to DIY with Aurea. Paint it bold.
For this next project, I'm going to continue to use this plastic lid. I'm going to be putting this stencil right here, taping it up, and of course we are going to be using this permanent marker. So all I'm doing is tracing and filling in all these spots right here. And the reason why I'm using this kind of marker is because it is permanent and it's not going to fade, or you know, it's just not going to be erasing anytime soon. So I did this to the entire piece. And here we are. It came out pretty decent, huh? Now I'm going to go ahead and take the scissors and cut it to size. Once it's cut to size, then I'm going to do the same thing with some hot glue. I'm going to glue all four corners. And once this is done, that is it. I did not do anything else. I thought about putting a little jute twine bow, but I figured that it looks nice just the way it is. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts.
Imagination's never dead. Wood and wire, glue and grace. We're building joy in every space. Buttons, bangles, bows and twine.
If you have leftover candles, don't throw away the lids. This lid was from a candle, and this little fishbowl at the secondhand store for 50 cents. I purchased these at Temu, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this fishbowl in with all these wood beads, and then we could just go ahead and place the lid right on top, and it fits so perfect, nice and tight. Look at this. And then this is it for this small project right here. And then for the next project that follows this one, it's just a bonus. I thought it didn't receive the views that it deserves, so I am putting it on this video. I hope you enjoy all these projects, and thank you for stopping by. I have this little fishbowl from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try to make this look like a pumpkin, and the colors that I will be using is going to be crispy green, white, and orange. I'm gonna start with the green one, and as you see, I'm making stripes only in the inside of this fishbowl, and I will continue to do that with the white and the orange. all the colors are nice and dry and they are all blend in. I'm coming in with a lot of Mod Podge and I'm gonna seal these colors in only because we're gonna be using some floral and we don't want that paint to scrape. And now everything is nice and dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit of floral foam in here that I have recycled. And this floral, some of it was left over. I got it from the bottom of my stash. Also, I purchased 2 of these floral bundles this year. And now it's time to put all of this together. I'm gonna start arranging these beautiful flowers inside this fishbowl for a stunning display. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section your thoughts. And now I'm going to be showing you the final review. I am totally in love with this piece.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.